welcome back, folks. With no racing this weekend, I have a bit of time in my hands to try and catch up with a few bits and pieces that I could do with getting sorted. This evening I'm going to tackle Ellie's Capra here. Last weekend when we were at the King Crawler competition, I was a bit exuberant with the old throttle, and I don't know if you can see or not, but I totally rounded out the hex in our plastic wheels to the point where that nut was stuck in, and I had to heat the plastic up with a lighter and bash the wheel nut out of the centre. Pretty much the same thing has happened to the other wheel on the front, so I'll have to take that off. But what I want to try out is these Sweep Tyres Trilug 1.9 super soft tyres. So I'm going to stick them on to these standard wheels here that were off Heather's Gladiator, which I'm still waiting an axle for. The axle broke, and I don't know if you can see, but I have it sort of cable tied together for the minute. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to get these tyres mounted onto these wheels, and all being well, you can join me in a few minutes on the trails. Well, not exactly the trails, hopefully going to one of my most favourite spots, which is the Glen, not too far away from where I live. Good waterfall sections. It's essentially a climb up a glen, and you have banks either side, a lot of stones, a lot of rivers, water, puddles, all sorts there. So yeah, stay tuned to that, guys. Anyway, enough of me rambling on here. We'll get these tyres mounted, and you guys can join me in the Glen for a spot of river or creek crawling. Guys, you might be able to see just here, that's my old Axial AX10 Scorpion. I had started to think about how I was going to mount that cage on it and spruce it up a bit, but that'll be for another video. So anyway, let's get on with these tyres here. Big shout out to the guys at Model Tune for sorting me out with the tyres. In fact, they sort me out with basically everything that I get RC related. I should maybe check out their shop, guys. These Sweep tyres are actually not unlike the G-made ones that she has on, but a wee bit gnarlier. Every bit as soft. But yeah, anyway, let's get them stuck on. Not so sure I know what the rotation is. I would say that way forward. Well, that's the way we'll mount them anyway. Use my trusty Milwaukee driver. Front right, front left, rear left, rear right. Okay, so I have to remember this is a front left wheel that I'm doing. Just pop the two rings out and pop out the centre. Oh, that's right, that's one I modified with, I put solder around them to weight them, and they've just got standard foams in them. And I think these wheels and tyres of Ellie's, I have the Proline dual stages in them, but I think I'll just leave them and test these just with the standard foams that come with them. So let's see, front left, I want to mount them that way. Just gotta make sure you get these lined up well. start them diagonally. Make sure the bead looks good the whole way around. Which it does, and then just tighten them just opposites. And as always, just checking by hand just to save stripping out any of the screws. These are only plastic rims, so it's literally just as tight as you can go. You'll see here with my finger and thumb, as soon as you feel resistance, that's it. Any more and you'll just strip out the plastic threads. Simple as that, guys. That's one done. Now these wheels are vented and I'm going into water. What I maybe actually should do is punch a couple of holes in the tyres, because they will have a tendency to fill with water, and if they fill with water through the wheels, it'll not actually vent out through the tyres. So yeah, silly me, that's what I'm going to do. Right, anyway, we'll know they fit. Back out again and we'll vent the tyres. And just use a regular belt hole punch. Pull out the foams, and again I'll just do opposites. Well, you can see one wee hole there. I just go 180 degrees, and on the other side of the tyre, and punch another hole just there. There we have it. Some people might not do that, but I do. I think it's a good idea. We run in water a lot of the times, and if you don't do that, the water just has no way of escaping. Whereas we do that, and you just give it a blip of the throttle, the tyre spins, centrifugal force, wing, the water just comes out. All that's left to do is get these whopped on here. If I remember correctly, this hex will be chewed to bits as well. There's the difference between the Proline dual stage foams. They're quite hard and don't compress so much compared to these, which will squish right in. They might be too soft, mightn't be ideal for side hilling, but we'll try them, see what they're like. I'll swap them out to the dual stage foams if I need to. There we have it, guys. Anyway, that's that done for the night. What'll be tomorrow will be just a few seconds for you guys. I shall see us at Craigie Glen and we'll get these tested.
one hand. The Gladiator done the straddle, that's for the extra width. That's the first thing that made look easy compared to that. That's the first thing. So happy. I know that's the part I was looking at. You nearly have the hand in front. Double as well. If I can get that left knee, push over, just that right there. And now we'll have Tim exploring how to get his copper back. That looks beautiful. Yeah, that's why I actually have to go to actually walk it. Yeah. Just keep that back left wheel out of that. Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. Right. You just pass that. Alright. And you pass that right. And you just stay there. It's right for you. Where now? Left? Yeah. Oh. You know what? Just conference off there and climb up line and watch it from the front here. Come on, my friend. Yes. Oh. Well done. You, Copper, could do it.
Guys, I don't know if I got that climb on camera, but that was epic. That was an epic waterfall climb, never before tackled by any 4x4 vehicle. Well, not the Craigie Glen here anyway, so...
That's a Curtis special. Curtis, you need to do that one, mate. Challenge lead.
Challenge lead, like an egg. This is doable.
What's that? Think this bit's doable? Probably not.
Right, it's all about the line. You take. Right. Oh, this side. Oh, just settled down no more. Oh, yeah, stick. Yes, very nice.
I've always liked one. If you top this, always fancied one. I like them like. But if I got one, I think I would make it in the wee shaft there. There's a right wheel more on that, but
Yeah.
Going. Unreal, fun. Unbelievable.
Nice wee hop opportunity like you meant out there.
I did, 100%. We're getting caught in cars and things here. If I have it on video, I can't remember all the different things, but there's too many things right over there with the moss and everything. I don't know why I just like this and stuff. Oh! Unbelievable.
Wheel swap from sweep to trenchers. Right, here we go guys, we're going to try this Capra with a set of trenchers and some other fancy modifications. It's top secret, I can't tell you.
Well, they made that down here easier.
No problem. I'd say overall they're better.
They're not any worse.
No. I'm impressed with them overall. It's made everything look a little bit easier, hasn't it? I'm surprised how it looks like it's no grip on them, like I don't know how big that. That's the way I wanted to go.
Epic. I know. That's unreal. Unbelievable. Curtis, make sure you've got the G8, or sorry, Predator compound trenchers for Tim in the shop. He'll be making a call in tomorrow morning.